Less than 24 hours after his landslide victory in the Iowa Caucuses, GOP frontrunner Donald Trump was back in a courtroom in Manhattan, this time for a second defamation trial involving columnist Carroll. The jury essentially deciding how much the former president must pay in damages. News 4's Rana Novini live in Lower Manhattan to walk us through what happened in court today. Rana.
Well, David, Donald Trump already left the courtroom. He's headed to New Hampshire for a campaign event this evening. But earlier today, a jury was selected, and now opening arguments are underway.
Thank you. Thank you,
Arriving to a show of support outside Manhattan federal court, Carroll faces Donald Trump in person, presumably for the first time in 25 years. Trump, fresh off of a win in the Iowa Caucuses, making his way to Manhattan to attend a trial that will determine how much he'll have to pay for defamation. The judge already found Trump liable for defaming Carroll in comments he made as president in 2019, mocking Carroll's sexual assault claim against him. The jury now will decide how much he owes her for those claims, and for some he made after a different jury found him liable last year for sexually abusing Carroll in a department store in the 1990s. Carroll and her attorneys seeking at least $10 million in damages. In court today, Carroll standing with her back to Trump. Trump turning at times to see prospective jurors as they answered questions from the judge, like, does anybody follow Donald Trump or Carroll on social media? Does anyone think the 2020 election was stolen? And does anyone think Mr. Trump is being treated unfairly by the court system? 2 jurors answered yes to those last 2 questions and ultimately weren't selected to serve on the 9-person jury. For the proceeding, Trump blasted the case on his social media platform, calling it a witch hunt and a giant election interference scam. So we expect opening statements to wrap up later on this afternoon. The trial itself expected to last 3 to 5 days. Trump has said that he does plan to testify during this trial. He has also maintained that he does not know and he has never met Carroll. And again, the trial expected to last 3 to 5 days. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Rana, Novini, News 4 New York.